Hey Sierras, and today we're gonna be making slime with equals Herbo. My say hey, what's your guy's name?
Catherine Griffith at gmail.com.
The Griffins.
Yeah.
Say
The
hey,
Griffins.
y'all Figueroa say hey to the Griffins. Say hi Griffins. And Griffins say hi to the Figueroas. Yeah, these are Figueroas. So we make 2 videos at once.
Yes.
So
We got more.
what you need?
Wait, we need some more light, bro. Wait, where's another light switch?
What you need is regular soap. Go get the soap from out the bathroom. Go get the hand soap out the bathroom.
Here, I'll be right back, guys. Sorry. So I have to put mine right back. And hey, everybody. Hey, Sierras. Like I'm going in 2 cameras. Like, one mirror to the other. One mirror.
Okay, I'm back, y'all. So all you need is my boo. All you need is any kind of soap, but you need like thick soap. You need like thick soap and shampoo and one more thing that I need to get down.
I will be right back. Oh, crap. Oh, I'm right there. Don't eat
And then
What is that?
salt.
Oh, yeah. That's a good recipe.
So let's start.
With that, is that what you're supposed to start with? Wow.
Nothing here. Get how much you want. Wait. We don't put a little soap in. Only a little soap.
Not a lot.
I forgot one thing. I'll be right back.
She will be right back. She will be right back. Put that soap. Only a little bit of soap, guys. So, as you guys know, so he just did this and the soap. Let me make my camera see. This and soap. I think this is shampoo and this is soap. So as you guys, oh yeah, my camera can see it. Yes. Wait, I want to see if my flip is on my flip. Oh yeah. So you guys can see me. So like if I
Okay. Back. Here's our mixing soap and toothpaste.
Toothpaste. Like we need toothpaste.
Guys, if you don't have some that y'all can mix it with, like if y'all not allowed to use forks, spoons, get a Q-tip, rip the bottom piece off,
Yeah.
and stir.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna
Can
stir.
you get a spoon?
No, we use the bottom of the fork. I'm gonna show them that you can use this though.
Okay. Yeah, you
Okay,
can
now let
really
me go
use
to my fork. Use the bottom or top of your fork. Stir it. See, it's already turning into slime, guys.
See. You guys can see. It smells so good.
You see, it's basically already slime.
Yeah.
But you also have to put it in the refrigerator for 5 minutes.
The what?
I mean, the freezer for 5 minutes.
5 minutes. The freezer. Okay, the freezer for 5 minutes. Then what's this
See,
for?
it's already turning into slime. No,
What's that for?
you could get one to make color for it. So we can have a little color.
Oh, it's a nice color. Oh yeah, I should have bought my food gum. Oh, this slime was nice. Dude, what about the toothpaste? Why do we need toothpaste?
We don't really need toothpaste.
That
I forgot this bottle got a hole in it.
it's basically
It
is turning into
color.
slime.
See, look, basically already slime.
Yeah. And mine is
So
got
much shampoo, just in case it's not a thickness perception you want. Hey, can you guys see me? Can the Griffins see me? Griffin must see me?
Griffin. Oh, shoot.
Okay,
There's a lot of stuff.
See how,
Oh, that's nice. I love this.
see how thick that is? Nice thick. Yes, you need shampoo and thick soap. See how thick that is?
Only one pump.
Don't use this one.
It's basically already slime, bro. I like this. Okay. Yeah, so you should really try this. Ryan, have you did this on your channel?
Do you remember this? Oh yeah, I'm doing this on my channel with it on my phone charge.
I mean, the Sierras or the Figueroas.
Sierras.
Look at this, y'all.
It's like a foamy too. I don't know if we got shaving cream.
Alright.
I'll go check.
I'm mixing mine so good. Do you have hair mousse?
We got some color. Purple.
Purple coloring.
Purple dye.
Yeah. You found purple?
It's not food color.
Yeah.
Extra.
So don't actually eat it. If you're at home doing this,
And you like using food, like stuff you gonna do, slime that you're gonna eat, edible slime. Not use this, use food coloring. This is hair dye.
yeah. So, oh, this
Look
hair
how pretty this is.
right, that looks so cute, bro. Who uses you? Okay, no. But do you use this? Oh, it's toothpaste. Are you using toothpaste?
It's supposed to help with the consistency.
This is just. I feel like it's just supposed to make it smell better.
Look how cute that it is, purple and blue, y'all.
Right.
We need just a dab of salt. Cause if you put too much
Miss
salt,
What happens?
it's gonna get bubbly.
And
It's
ugly.
not gonna work.
Ugly.
See how better it got, y'all?
Put too much in here.
Thick consistency.
I really want mine so thick. Okay.
We really want ours to be thick.
Yeah. So this actually is a good slime recipe, right?
Basically,
Oh.
already slime.
Yeah. But it actually is sparkly, like if you look up close, because she used sparkling toothpaste on them. But it's a pretty color on camera, isn't it? It's so pretty. Oh, you put it in your hands already. You see this? Only a little bit, right?
Yeah. Cause it's like strong. Ooh, guys,
Wait.
look. But we still got to put it in the freezer.
Don't forget about that freezer part, though. Oh, that's pretty purple. That's a real pretty purple.
Let's see. Yeah, that is.
A little bit more than that, boy. Yeah, it's hard to get it to come out. Who is using that? Let me see something.
No, it's no more really. See.
So just a little. Can I use a little bit more?
Oh, yeah. There you go. There we go.
Oh, that's cute. Do you not see this, y'all? Oh my god, ain't this turning so cute?
Okay, let's put it in the freezer for 5 minutes.
Wait, I want to show them. Oh, let's show. Oh yeah, yours is see-through, but they mine. Here, look, pretty colors.